Hello students, this is the third part of video for chapter number 3 from geography. So in last video we have covered about all the continents, what kind of minerals are found in all the continents. Now today we are going to cover this topic, that is uses of minerals. Minerals are used in many industries. Minerals which are used for gems are usually hard. These are then set in various styles for jewelry. So the diamonds which you see, the gems or in the jewelry, so that is being shaped and in various style you are using it as a jewelry. So it is attached to that the gold also, even only the diamond necklaces are also made, earrings. So such kind of jewelry are worn, and it is loved by the women especially. So copper is another metal that is used in everything from coin to pipes. Silicon used in computer industries is obtained from quartz. This is the mineral from where the computer industry use this mineral that is obtained from the quartz. So silicon is most probably used in computer. Aluminium obtained from its ore bauxite is used in automobiles and as well as airplanes, bottling industries, buildings, and even the kitchen cookware. So because it is light weighted and it is long lasting, so generally it is used in all these industries, mainly automobiles, aeroplanes, and bottling industries, even in the buildings also for the window frames and even the door frames. Generally the window frames and door frames, because which is light weighted and it can handle the glass properly, and even for the many storage building for like 20 to 30 or the 50 to 100 story buildings they make. So generally this kind of light weighted aluminum frames are being used in windows and doors. Aeroplanes also, because that is flying, so it could not be used a heavy metal, so they are also using such a light weighted material, and even it is rust free. So everyone prefers to use it in the aeroplanes and even the bottling industries. So it does not affect the health, it does not connect or comes in contact with the climate also. Instead of that, if we are using iron, in past we used to use the iron for door or window, so generally they rust very fastly because they comes in the contact with the humidity which is present in the climate. So generally they doesn't prefer to use the iron. Even in the kitchen cookware, the aluminium is used from the past time. So there are other uses also, just find it out. You may find various ways of uses where it is used. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are non-renewable resources. It takes thousands of years for the formation and concentration of mineral. The rate of formation is much smaller than the rate at which the human consume these minerals. It is necessary to reduce wastage in the process of mining. Recycling of the metal is another way in which the mineral resources can be conserved. So the conservation of mineral is very necessary, as you have read over here, that the consumption of human, that is the humans are using it more. Compared to that, the formation of these minerals are taking much time, so we are not giving time them to get renewed because minerals are non-renewable. It is forming again. If we want this mineral, then it is forming again, and it takes thousands of years. So with a sustainable way, with a balanced way, we should use the mineral. We should give the time to the minerals to form again. And even what is the way, if you have to give the time to the minerals to form again, then whatever minerals already we are using, we have to use it in a proper way, and even you should not waste it in the process of mining the minerals. The wastage is more, so we have to reduce that wastage. And whatever material we are having, we can recycle it. If it is not used for one usage, then it could be recycled for the another usage. So R3 measurement can be used over here, that is reuse. And first you have to reduce the usage, then you have to recycle it, and you can reuse it the same way. So conservation of mineral is very necessary, as wherever we move we can see the metals in daily lives. Even it is our kitchenware, even it is our windows or doors, even in the instrument that we use, the TV, the computers, even the gadgets which we are using, electronic gadgets. So everywhere the minerals are found. So you can see that that is the very necessary thing in our life. So we should use it in a proper way without wasting it, and should give away time to just to form it. Next, we are going to cover the topic is the power resources. Sunny's mother begins her day by switching on the geyser. She irons Sunny's school uniform before waking him up. She then rushes to the kitchen to prepare a glass of orange juice for him in the blender. Sunny, have you finished taking bath? Come and have your breakfast, her mother says. Call out's mother while preparing the breakfast on the gas stove for Sunny. So while going to the school, Sunny forgot to switch off the lights and fans. When mother switches them off, she thinks that life in the city may be more comfortable, but its dependency on more and more gadgets, all of which consume energy, has led to a wide gap between the demand and supply. With the advent of science and technology, the lifestyles are changing very fast. So, power or energy plays a vital role in our life. We also need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. Power resources may be broadly categorized as conventional and non conventional resources. So, power resources generally, if the lights where goes off or went off, it's if there is a power cut, usually when we are having once in a week, so we feel uneasy if the fan is switched off. Even the TVs are switched off because of the power cut. Even the mobile, if there is no charging, then our life become uneasy, and also it stops somewhere. So in short, we wait to the power to come to start our life again. So you can understand the importance and the role of the power in our life. It become an important thing in our life. If it is not working, then our life stops. We never lived in such condition without the power connection. So here the story of Sunny and his mother, we can reflect it with our daily life. Early in the morning, as you you just get ready for your school, then the same thing your mother would also do. She switch off the lights, geysers, and make your breakfast using blenders, mixer grinders, sandwich machines, if she is making the sandwiches. So there are certain things, electronical gadgets, which are used on the daily basis. Here the Sunny forgets to switch off the lights and fans when he go for school. But what happens? That is wasted by whom? Wasted by the Sunny. He forgot to switch off, but this is the carelessness of a Sunny, which is most probably done by, and regularly, it is regularly done by us also in our day-to-day life. We forgot to switch off light or switch off geyser after using the thing. So you should understand how important the power is. So just you have to understand, you should do the activity, just sit for an hour or 2 hours without fan and light, not to switch on the TV, not to use mobile, just to see what you can do. Or 2 3 hours you can manage it for the whole day. Don't switch on your room's light, or don't use any kind of electronic gadgets without the blenders. Ask your mother to prepare anything. So it, you can find that it would be hard to connect the life in the city, because city's life is too fast. There is no time to just grind the things on the stones in pastels. Usually that is being done in the past, in older times, mainly in the village. Nowadays also they are using, but in city life, because it is too fast, we are habitual of this kind of gadget. So we should understand the importance of the power. Here, the power resources are broadly categorized on into, that is, conventional and non-conventional resources. Here you have already read that where is the power used in industries, agriculture, transport, communication, and as well as in defense. So what is conventional sources? Conventional sources of energy are those which have been in common use for long time, like firewood and fossil fuels are the two main conventional energy sources. So they are also used as an energy resources, firewood and as well as fossil fuels. So firewood, where it is being used, firewood, it is widely used for cooking and heating. In our country, more than 50% of energy used by villagers come from firewood, because they used to cook in chula. So they used to use this firewood for cooking. Remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years got converted by heat and pressure into fossil fuels. So, fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas, these are the main sources of conventional energy. The reserve of these minerals are limited. The rate at which the growing world population is consuming them is far greater than the rate of their formation. So these are likely to be exhausted soon. So firewood is also going to exhaust as deforestation is taking place for many reasons. It is not only for firewood, but for furniture, and even this is used for industries also. So this has to be conserved in a proper way, and it is very necessary. It is consumed more rather than it is not given time for the formation. So it is very necessary. Now move to this distinguish between. This you have to write down in FNB. The map work what I have asked you to do in the map, in the world map, that you have to attach in the end of the chapter with stapler. So staple it at the end of the chapter. So just you have to mark whatever I asked to mark on the map, then keep it aside, and later on you can attach it at the end of the chapter. So this is the these are the distinguish between which you have to write down in FNB. That is oil and natural gas, and both disadvantages given in between. Advantages of oil is easier to transport in tankers, it is being transport. Basis of petrochemical industries. Natural gases advantage, easier to transport because that is being transported by pipelines, cleaner than oil and coal, and cheaper than oil. So natural gas are being used mainly for cooking also. Now disadvantages: depletion of oxygen due to the oil spillage and gas leakage. Because of both, there is the reduction of oxygen. Then pollutants released caused acid rain. So the smoke, the pollutants which are released by these two are creating the acid rain. Now exploration of new fuel is not easy. Next is conventional source of energy. There are two, firewood and coal. Advantages and disadvantages of the same. Advantages are easy to access, provide energy to large number of people. As we read that 50% of people in India are using the firewood as energy for cooking. Disadvantage of firewood: collection is time consuming, then polluting because of the smoke formed by it, then promoting greenhouse effect, carbon because when the smoke is released in atmosphere, the rate of carbon dioxide increases in atmosphere, so it affects the greenhouse effect, promoting the greenhouse effect. Deforestation, the another disadvantage. Coal's advantage is extensively available. This mineral is available extensively. Then efficient conversion to electricity. We can generate electricity also from this. Now, what is the disadvantage? That is polluting sources. Again, the smoke generated from the coal is harmful for atmosphere and in surrounding. Bulky to transport. Then tidal power, non-polluting advantages. Then the promotes irrigation and as well as fishing. Then it is cheap. What is the disadvantage? Displacement of local community because to use this, and inundates low-lying regions. Then expensive to set up. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of tidal power that you have to write down in FNB. Coal. This is the most abundantly found fossil fuels. It is used as domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam engines, and to generate electricity. Electricity from coal is called as thermal power. You can see over here a view of thermal power station. The coal which we are using today was formed millions of years ago when giant fonts and swamps got buried under the layers of the earth. So coal is therefore referred to as the buried sunshine. So generally because of the deposition in the past years, because of that we could use nowadays or in present time coals. So it takes millions of years to form coal, but it is used widely everywhere, mainly in the industries and also in the domestic, as a domestic fuel also to burn chula. You can see instead of firewood these coal are being used for cooking also. Now, the leading coal producers of the world are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, and France. The coal producing area of India are Raniganj, Jharia, Dhanbad, and Bokaro in Jharkhand. So, this topic that we are from petroleum, we will discuss in the other video. The distinguish between, you have to write down in FNB in proper way, make the proper boxes. It is not necessary to write down like this as it is shown in textbook. You can write in your own way in different parts. No need to draw this kind of arrows. No, just give away the heading like conventional sources of energy and you can make the three parts. So for the other part of chapter, stay tuned. Thank you.